Dear students, today we are discussing about how to draw a bar graph. Here one question is given here. Following data gives total marks out of 600 obtained by 6 children of a particular class. Represent the data on a bar graph. This is the given data. Student, mark obtained each student. Ajay 450, Bali 500, Deepthi 300, Fayaz 360, Geetika 400, Hari 540. Now we want to draw a bar graph. Here you can see two lines, that is the axis. This is horizontal axis. This is called the x-axis, and this is the vertical axis, that is y-axis. Next, it is intersecting in a particular point. This is the origin of the graph. This every time this origin value is 0, and we want to take a particular scale for this representation of this data. So we are taking the range of this data is 300 to 540. So we are taking 100 is the range. So mark 1 unit is equal to 100 marks. This is the scale for this graph, and we want to take this scale in the y-axis. The y-axis is representing marks obtained, and x-axis represent student. So next we want to take a scale on y-axis according to this scale. So 1 unit I am taking 1 centimeter here. So 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter. It's enough for this graph because the range up to 540. So first point is taking 100. The intersecting point, every time in a bar graph, intersecting point should be 0. The next point is, according to our scale, 1 unit is equal to 100 marks. So first point is taken as 100, second 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, so on. Next we want to take the particular scale on x-axis. It is according to our choice. Here also I am taking 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Next, this each first unit will be leaving here, and second unit we are taking as the first student, that is Ajay. Next unit is leaving, that fourth one is taken as Bali. Same way, one will be leaving, another one Deepthi. Next one Fayaz. Next one Geetika. Another one Hari. Okay, now you understood this much. Next we want to plot in the point according to their marks. Here first one Ajay 450. So 450 is coming between 400 and 500. So we are taking between these two. Half point will be taking here, and this 1 unit will be leaving for between 450 we are taking 2 points after 1 centimeter. So joining this, and these 2 points will be joining to Ajay. This is represent 450. Next 500 on Bali. 500 on Bali, so take to 500, then 3 and 4 will be joining. We'll be joining this point to here. In y-axis we will got it 500. So next we will be joining here. Next one, Deepti 300. So taking 300 to here, 5 and 6 will be joining 300. Next 5 hours, 360. 360 means 300, between 300 and 400, more than 350. So we're taking 1 centimeter, more than 1/2. So we are joining this two. Next one, Geetika 400. Next one, Hari 540. 540 means less than half. This is the bar graph for this particular question. So this one is representing 450, this one is 500, and this one is 300, this one is 360, here 400 and 540.